Welcome to my kitchen. Today, I'm excited to share with you the recipe for Bangalore's famous fried chicken kebab. Let's get started. First of all, we use 700 grams of chicken. Add 1 lemon juice. Add salt and red chili 1 teaspoon and turmeric half teaspoon. Now, add black pepper and cumin half teaspoon, garam masala 1 teaspoon, also coriander 1 tablespoon, curd and ginger garlic 1 teaspoon. After 2 hours, add 1 egg. Semolina half teaspoon. Corn flour 3 tablespoon. Maida 2 tablespoon. Red food color 1¼ cup. Mix all well and chicken is ready to fry. Fry till well cooked on medium heat. Don't turn it immediately. Bangalore special for best flavor. Bangalore's famous fried chicken kebab is about to ready. Crispy on the outside, juicy on the inside, and full of flavor. Give it a try and let me know what you think. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more recipe videos. Thanks for watching.